Okay, so today we are going to talk about a cue card that says, describe something that was broken in your house then repaired. What it is, how was it broken, how you got it repaired, and how you felt about it. So nowadays, people buy a new product as soon as their old item breaks down. But I belong to the old school, as I believe that things that can be repaired should be repaired and not replaced. About 8 months ago, when we were all working from home, the 6 year old window air conditioner of my bedroom come workspace stopped working. Initially, I thought it would be something really simple like the remote or the power failure. I tried a few different troubleshooting mechanisms by looking on the internet and watching a couple of YouTube videos, but nothing seemed to help. I felt a bit disappointed as I could not solve the problem. Ultimately, I decided to call for the technicians to fix the issue, as we have scorching summers in Ahmedabad, and living without the air conditioner is unthinkable. Being a privileged customer, I was able to request the aircon company to dispatch their technicians on the same day. Two experts arrived promptly and performed their routine checkup. In their terms, the internal compressor was damaged, which they removed and ordered a new one through their mobile app. According to them, the damage could have happened either due to the extreme heat or due to heavy fluctuations in voltage. They said that the expected wait time for the particular piece was approximately 3 days since it was peak summer. On hearing that, my heart sank. I started sweating literally and figuratively at the thought of having to live without the air conditioner for 3 full days. The very next day, I got a call from the company on my mobile. I was afraid that they would apologize and say that the part won't be available for a few more days or even worse, weeks. But I was wrong. Fortunately, the company was able to procure the part from their warehouse. Although the task was complex, the technicians hardly took 10 minutes to resuscitate my aircon back to life. I thanked them profusely and breathed a sigh of relief. Thank you for